How to fix location saving enable on this device with maps on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here, so click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on location. You will see location is here, so click on location. So first of all, turn on this button. So after turn on this button, click on location services. So after click on location services, so after watching, turn on this button and click on app permissions. Now here, so click on maps app. You will see maps is here, so click on maps. So click on allow all the time. So after click on allow all the time, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can fix location sharing enable or this device with maps on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.